my name's Heather Clark, and I am a Brooklyn-based fashion designer. I have my own eponymous label. I'm also a personal wardrobe stylist as well as a personal shopper. How to alter a swimsuit to make it smaller. Altering a swimsuit to make it smaller is quite easy if you're comfortable on a sewing machine. A few good rules of thumb is to use polyester thread or really strong thread. Use a ballpoint needle because it's specifically designed for knits, and almost all bathing suits are made out of knit fabric. And also to use a zigzag stitch. You're going to want to use a somewhat narrow zigzag stitch. If you have an overlocker or a serger, that'll also help you as well, but for the altering, a zigzag stitch will be just fine. On a bikini top, usually your trick is to go underneath the arm at the side seam here. For example, this bikini doesn't have a side seam, but you can just kind of eyeball it and fold it on the inside. Take it in there. Similarly, do the same on the bikini bottom. But I'm going to show you on a one-piece swimsuit how to make it smaller. Side seams are what it's all about. That's where you want to get your fit. The nice thing about altering a swimsuit is that because it is so stretchy, you can just take it in one fell swoop and you'll get most of your fit there. You don't have to get into tailoring or anything like that. So just take your machine, get it on and ready on your zigzag stitch, and then find your side seam on your swimsuit. You're not really going to have any seam allowance to work with, but that's okay. You can just kind of fold it over and start on your machine. So get it under your machine and start small. Maybe only take in a ½ inch at a time. So right here I have it lined up with the side of the presser foot, which means it's going to be a ½ inch doubled because it's on the fold of the side seam. Remember, you're on your zigzag. So as you can see, I've gotten my zigzag stitch done. Not much taking it in, but it's nice because now I can just try it on and see if it fits better. And work like that. If you want to cut the seam allowance after you're done, go for it, but make sure that you're very happy with the fit before you do that. I'm Heather Clark, and that's how to alter a swimsuit to make it smaller.